बिकॉज लुक, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस का अपमान, दिस इज कांग्रेस की असली पहचान। आज तो ईवीएम को पकड़ा है, 2 दिन पहले गणेश आरती की थी सीजीआई ने, तो सीजीआई को माँ बहन की और सी से और बाकी सब गालियां बक रहे थे, किस प्रकार से उन्होंने अपमानित किया, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया के ऊपर सवाल उठाए। ये कांग्रेस की जमात ने किया। आज उन्होंने ईवीएम और इलेक्शन कमीशन को पकड़ा है। नाउ तहसीन का लॉजिक देखिए, व्यूअर्स प्लीज नोट, जम्मू कश्मीर ईवीएम फाइन, इलेक्शन कमीशन फाइन, पंजाब ईवीएम फाइन, इलेक्शन कमीशन फाइन, दिल्ली ईवीएम इलेक्शन कमीशन फाइन, राजस्थान 2018 इलेक्शन कमीशन ईवीएम फाइन, हिमाचल ईवीएम इलेक्शन कमीशन फाइन, हरियाणा बैड कंडीशन, देन कर्नाटका फाइन, तेलंगाना फाइन, तमिलनाडु फाइन, केरला फाइन। अरे व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ पोस्ट पोल एक्सक्यूज एंड द रीजन इज RGBC, Rahul Gandhi Bachao Committee. This Rahul Gandhi Bachao Committee has adopted a slogan कि EVM बहाना है, राहुल को हार से बचाना है. So in case of Haryana, even though Kumari Shelja has said that we have lost the election because of our follies, even then discounting her, they are saying that no, राहुल गांधी को बचाना है, इसलिए EVM के ऊपर ठीकरा फोड़ना है. Now in the case of Maharashtra and Jharkhand, because they know they are going to lose, they have started pre-poll election excuse. This was post-poll in Haryana, now it is pre-poll. बिकॉज महाराष्ट्र और झारखंड में भी करारी हार मिलने वाली है, तो पहले से पिच तैयार करके रखते. जस्ट 2 or 3 पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, Tehseen Poonawalla should also inform that the points that he has raised, all of these points have been dealt with by the Supreme Court. All of them have been dealt with by the current notice that has been given by the Election Commission. They have cited 42 court judgments. In fact, let me tell you what one judgment said to Tehseen Poonawalla and his ilk. This has been said, it is of immediate relevance to note that in recent years a trend has been fast developing that certain vested interest groups endeavoring to undermine the achievements and accomplishments of the nation earned through hard work and dedication of sincere workforce. There seems to be a concerted effort to discredit, diminish and weaken the progress of the nation on every possible frontier. Justice Datta has said this about these people. Secondly, Sharad Pawar says, and this is Tehseen's alliance partner, most senior than him, I hope Tehseen won't discount him, I will not blame the EVMs, we have lost the election. Then SY Qureshi, somebody who's in their ecosystem and who has been a chief election commissioner, EVM tampering row, machines can't be rigged, says ex-election commissioner Mr. Qureshi. Even that do not want to believe. And lastly, the point is that this 99% battery thing, it has been explained that just like the calculator, they have alkaline batteries, not lithium-ion batteries that are there in our mobile phones, which require constant recharging. The batteries which are inserted or used for the EVMs, they are signed by the officials of the political parties. Despite that, Tehseen Poonawalla makes discredited arguments, but he is not the problem. The problem is the Congress party which is using this as a defense.
But let me get in Tariq Khan. Tariq Khan, the election commission's okay, all right, counter.
What the BJP spokesperson hasn't told the viewers of Times Now, he goes on all silly technical arguments, he doesn't tell the viewers of Times Now, is why does every wrong vote, misplaced vote, error vote goes to the BJP? What he hasn't told you is in Assam, prior to voting, I'm quoting Times of India, the EVMs to be used were found in the car of the BJP candidate. The election commission says, and I quote them, foolishly the election officer put it in the candidate's car. How foolish of the election commission of India? What he doesn't tell you very clearly is no country in the world, even technologically more advanced than us, allow EVM for the simple reason that any machine can be manipulated. Forget that. The right to vote is a legal right. The right to a vote secrecy is a fundamental right which EVM don't guarantee you. He doesn't tell you that. He will take you in the alkaline battery argument, which I can actually bust, but I will leave it for the second segment.
One second. Tehseen Poonawalla has made this entire argument, which he says that every wrong vote goes to the BJP on the basis of one incident in Kerala, which the ECI did investigate and found it was completely wrong. So Tehseen, I do know your strategy of lying when you have no facts to speak. Please tell me that the 99, Tehseen, stop interrupting. Please tell me, Tehseen Poonawalla, does the battery of an EVM operate like a battery of a mobile phone, that in one day it will get discharged to 50%, 70%? As has been alluded by a member of parliament, Mr. Manish Tiwari. You also know it. You will conceal those facts because it's convenient for you.
Well, let me bring the debate back